Have you ever wondered why your joints crack? The answer lies in synovial fluid, a thick substance that lubricates our joints. This fluid is not just essential for smooth movement. It harbors gas bubbles made of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or move your joints, the pressure change causes these bubbles to collapse and create that familiar popping sound. It's fascinating. However, not every joint noise is the same. While many sounds are harmless, those accompanied by pain or swelling could indicate a problem. It's crucial to pay attention to your body. To promote joint health, engage in flexibility exercises like yoga or swimming. These activities can minimize cracking and improve mobility. Remember, while cracking isn't always a concern, consulting a professional if you're worried is wise.